Today we're gonna go through the list of all the ingredients that I put in for anti-cancer super smoothie. Giving you a complete list of everything that is considered superfood that should go into the super anti-cancer smoothie. But depending on your taste, you can make a variation of the smoothie that I make, and then also in the future, I'll feature different types of smoothies for taste and for different health benefits. I like using Swiss chard and part of the smoothies, and look at all the colors. These so vivid colors. More color, more phytonutrients, more antioxidants. So once I cut all the darker and leafy vegetables, I put them in one big container. So this has the broccoli sprouts, kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and arugula. And dark green leafy vegetables are the key ingredients of super green smoothies. Also, I add tomatoes, carrots, apple, celery, parsley, and this makes up those main ingredients. This is a flaxseed, Goji Berries, Chia Seeds, Hemp Seeds, pumpkin seed, walnuts, berries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries, ginger, turmeric powder, Indian gooseberry, one of the most antioxidant substance that you can consume. Once you use a turmeric to increase the bioavailability by 2000%, you have to use black pepper. Also, I utilize Nutrinox. It's a regenerative nitric oxide formula to elevate nitric oxide in your system, which is great for cardiovascular health, diabetes, increase the circulation, and it has so many other benefits. But originally, this was developed to activate and mobilize the stem cells.
Cheers. Yeah.
Thing is, you gotta chew it.
Live long and prosper.